In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. This process is great, especially if you're someone who relies on keeping track of your events and appointments seamlessly right from your taskbar. Let's get started by utilizing the efficient built-in Windows Calendar app, which conveniently syncs with Google Calendar, allowing you to see all your events directly from your desktop. First, let's navigate to the Calendar app in Windows 11. You can easily find it by searching for Calendar in the Start menu. Once you've located it, go ahead and open the application. It's a straightforward process that'll only take a few moments of your time, and it'll be well worth it to have instant access at your fingertips. When you've got the Calendar app open, look over to the left panel where you'll find the Settings gear icon. This is your gateway to a variety of customization options. So click on it and then proceed to select Manage Accounts. This step is important because it's where you'll be able to integrate your Google account with the app. After clicking on Manage Accounts, you'll see the option to Add Account. Click on it to move forward. From there, you're presented with several account options. Select Google from the list. This is a crucial step because it tells Windows that you want to link your Google Calendar. Following this, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Ensure you have your account details handy, and if you're prompted, allow any necessary permissions. This ensures that your events sync properly between your Google Calendar and the Windows Calendar. Once you've signed in and allowed the permissions, here's where the magic happens. Your Google Calendar events will start appearing in the Windows Calendar app. This not only means you have easy access from the app itself, but also from the taskbar. Simply click on the clock area in your taskbar, and voila, your Google Calendar events are readily accessible and visible. A wonderful feature of this integration is that it allows you to add, edit, and delete events directly from your desktop. You don't need to switch back and forth between applications or open a browser window anymore. Everything you need is right there, streamlining your scheduling process and keeping you organized throughout your day. With these simple steps, you're now able to view and manage your Google Calendar events from your Windows 11 desktop effortlessly. Thanks for tuning into today's guide, and I hope it helps enhance your productivity and ease of access with your daily schedules.